Hello Jamaica, this is Rygin King representing. Our doctors, our nurses, our healthcare and other frontline workers continue to risk their lives every day so that we can
Rygin King has been transferred from Falmouth Hospital to yet another medical facility due to the security concerns. According to his management team, the Montego Bay-based entertainer was recently moved to ensure his safety and to facilitate his continued recovery. Rygin King, real name Matthew Smith, was shot and injured in Westmoreland on Sunday. A woman 28-year-old, Sasha Lee Blackwood, was shot and killed in the same incident, while another recording artist, Goon, was shot in his foot. The 25-year-old tough DJ was originally admitted to the Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital on Sunday afternoon before being airlifted to the Falmouth Hospital a few days later. On Thursday, Rygin King was airlifted to another location after a group of men showed up at the hospital and attempted to gain access to his room. Police detained a number of them.
Hello Jamaica, this is Rygin King representing. Our doctors, our nurses, our healthcare and other frontline workers continue to risk their lives every day so that we can survive this dreaded COVID-19 virus. We need to give them as much support as we can. That's why we're giving our support to the effort of the government of Jamaica to raise as much needed funds to purchase personal protective equipment so that the healthcare workers can be properly equipped to fight this war. I'm appealing to everyone to donate. Very simple and easy. Just click the link on the screen. Together we stand. One love Jamaica. Rygin King says so. I'm out.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.